Alright guys, today we've got something really special on the table, and honestly, I've been looking forward to this one ever since the first bits of news started circulating. I'm holding the brand new flagship digital audio player from FiiO, the M27, and it's shaping up to be a serious piece of high-end gear. This is the kind of device that instantly catches your attention if you care about sound quality, storage options, and raw power. And trust me, there's a lot to unpack here because FiiO has gone all out with this model. But before we dive deep into everything this device has to offer, make sure you hit that subscribe button and give this video a like. That way you won't miss out on any of my future reviews, and it really helps support the channel. Alright, let's get into it. The first thing that stands out to me, even before powering this thing on, is just how much storage flexibility they've packed in. The M27 comes with dual microSD card slots, and each one can support up to a whopping 2 terabytes of additional storage. That's crazy if you think about it. 2 2TB cards plus the onboard storage gives you the kind of capacity that used to belong to full-size servers not too long ago. And speaking of onboard storage, you're getting 256 gigabytes right on the device itself, which is perfect for loading up your high-resolution music library without worrying about running out of space. This is definitely aimed at the serious listener who doesn't want to constantly juggle files or rely on streaming for everything. Now, powering all of that is some seriously impressive hardware under the hood. FiiO has built the M27 around an 8-core Qualcomm QCS6490 processor, which is no slouch when it comes to handling demanding tasks. Pair that with an Adreno 640-2L GPU and support for DR5 RAM, and you're looking at a portable audio player that feels more like a high-end smartphone in terms of performance. It's running Android 13 and packs 8 gigabytes of RAM, which means navigation is snappy, app support is modern, and multitasking is smooth. You're not stuck with a laggy interface or limited OS here. You've basically got the flexibility of a full Android device combined with the precision of a serious audiophile tool. When it comes to wireless connectivity, they've made sure to keep audiophiles happy as well. Bluetooth support here isn't just the usual basic set, it includes aptX lossless, which means you can enjoy high-quality wireless streaming without sacrificing too much of the audio fidelity. It's great to see companies finally paying attention to wireless quality because for a long time that was the weak link in many setups. With the M27, you can pair your high-end headphones or wireless speakers and still get a sound that's clean, detailed, and dynamic, which is exactly what you'd expect from something carrying the FiiO flagship name. Of course, the real magic happens in the DAC section, and FiiO didn't cut any corners here either. The M27 uses dual ESS ES9039S Pro DACs, which are known for their clean, accurate conversion and excellent noise performance. On top of that, the device supports a balanced output power mode in ultra gain, and you've got support for pretty much every headphone connection you could ask for. 6.35mm for your big studio cans, 4.4mm balanced for your high-end portable gear, and the classic 3.5mm for everyday use. Plus, there's a full set of line-level and digital connections, so integrating this with other audio equipment is no problem at all. This is the kind of flexibility that makes the M27 stand out not just as a portable player, but as the centerpiece of a serious audio chain. The build quality is another area where this thing makes a strong impression. The chassis is made from titanium alloy, giving it that premium, almost industrial feel that you'd expect at this level, while the rear panel is finished in glass fiber. It's the kind of construction that not only looks sleek, but also feels incredibly solid in the hand. You immediately get the sense that this is built to last, that it's not just a gadget, but a carefully engineered piece of equipment. FiiO has been steadily refining their design language over the years, and the M27 really shows how far they've come in blending aesthetics with practicality. Now let's talk about availability and pricing, because I know a lot of you are wondering when you can actually get your hands on this and what kind of damage it's going to do to your wallet. FiiO is targeting an autumn 2025 launch for the M27. There's no exact release date just yet, but the pricing information we do have puts the standard version at around $1,500 with the titanium version coming in at about $1,800. It's definitely a premium price tag, but considering the level of performance, build quality, and features we're seeing here, It's clear they're positioning this as a true flagship for people who take their audio seriously. FiiO has also made it easy to find out more or stay updated. You can check out their official website at www.fiio.com for the latest details and announcements. It's always smart to keep an eye there because they tend to release firmware updates and additional information leading up to launch, which can sometimes include neat surprises or small feature tweaks that improve the experience even further. For a company like FiiO, that level of post-launch support is actually a big deal because it shows their commitment to their user base. So overall, the M27 is shaping up to be a seriously impressive flagship digital audio player. Between the massive storage potential, the high-end processor, the advanced wireless and DAC capabilities, and that gorgeous titanium build, it's clear that FiiO is going all in to make a statement with this device. If you're the kind of listener who demands top-tier performance and you want something that can act as both a portable powerhouse and a central hub for your listening setup, this is definitely one to keep on your radar. I can't wait to see how it performs once it officially hits the market and people start putting it through its paces in real-world scenarios. Alright, that's gonna wrap up this first look at the FiiO M27. I'm genuinely excited about this one, and I think it's going to make some serious waves among audiophiles once it lands. If you enjoyed this video and want to stay up to date with my future reviews, make sure you hit that subscribe button and give this video a like. It really helps the channel grow and lets me bring you more hands-on reviews just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.